just moved into this new apartment, and it has this horrible wall-to-wall carpeting. It's stapled down all over the place, so no matter how hard I try, I just can't get it up.
That's what he said. So I've had this skirt for a while now, but I don't think it really fits anymore. It doesn't usually look this short.
Oh shit, that's what he said. Yesterday there was no place to park. I kept driving around and around. I just couldn't find the right spot.
That's what he said.
He said, speak softly and carry a meek talk. We parry a hot trick.
She speaks soft. He carries me on his lips.
Slick jawed like his chops was a spaceship.
Rocket tongue that cuts me quick.
He said, one small step for damn. He plant a flag. I'm moon. He's soon to brag. One giant leap for
I'm mute blind. He has a script. I just mime.
He said, to be or not to be. Truly, poor thought, says she.
Who she? Poor, hot to see.
Boobies sore pottery.
Shoes be for sodomy.
Hooey, more hot than pea.
2 T's for sauces, please.
Hooey, no more. Stop, said he. I'm being misquoted.
And I said, that sounds familiar.
Someone's always putting something in my mouth.
Oh, that's what she said.
She said, what now?
She said,
Syntax is a trap where I'm always being put in my place. Adjectives too close on either side. Verbs looking up my skirt.
where is she anyway? She's bent over, legs splayed like exclamation points.
She's wet. She's dripping ellipses at the end of sentences.
She's choking on an uninvited mouthful while everyone laughs and laughs.
What did she really say?
Audre Lorde said, the master's tools will never dismantle the master's house.
Sometimes when I use pronouns, I wonder whose toolbox I've opened. Like I'm aiming at a nail and keep on hammering my own thumbs. This language, his tool is unwieldy.
Oh, that's what
Adrian Rich said, this is the oppressor's language. This is the oppressor's language, but I needed to talk to you.
So I said what you said, hoping to catch your attention. My mouth could talk a mile in your tongue, but if you care to listen, you hear the rumble of rusty basement appliances. You took them for broke, but we've been rebuilding this box from the bottom up since you first locked us in. The truth said, look at me, look at my arms.
And ain't I in first person a master craftswoman?
And ain't I the punctuation mark at the end of my mother's phrases?
And ain't she the etymology?
And ain't I the word?
I am the subject of my own sentence.
I'm standing here, not between quotation marks.
Look at me.
Look at my words. Don't tell me what she said. Did she say, speak softly?